lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal 0, 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 23 is equal 0 are concurrent and find the points of concurrency. So guys, here comes the concurrent topic. Like what is concurrent and what are concurrency? Firstly, in this given question, they have given 3 equations, right? They have given how many equations? They have given 3 equations and they are asking to find out that whether these 3 lines are concurrent or not. Okay, they are asking to find whether these lines are concurrent or not, or to find the point of concurrency. Okay, so firstly what you do is you select 3 lines, guys. Here they have given 3 lines, right? So let's go with this. Let us write down the 3 lines over as it is over here. First one is 3x plus y minus 3 is equal 0. Second equation they have given what? 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal 0, and the third one is 2x minus 3y minus 23 is equal 0. So these both are the, let's consider this as first equation, let us consider this as second equation, and let's consider this as third equation or equation number 3. Clear? First equation, second equation and third equation or equation number 3. Clear? So they have given 3 equations. Guys, they are, firstly let us find out the point of concurrency. Okay, let us find out the point of concurrency, and by that finding the point of concurrency, if we substitute those points of concurrency in the third equation, if the equation, the sum of total equation is equal 0, then we will be getting to know whether these lines are concurrency or not. Okay, I will be showing this. Don't need to worry. So let's start with our process. Firstly, guys, they have given nothing but firstly they have given 3 equations. Write down the 3 equations over here. Let us find out the points of concurrency, where the points are getting concurrency. Okay, so let us find out the point of concurrency firstly. Okay, so to find out the point of concurrency, let me write down here x, y and 1. Okay, x, y, 1 as we know. We learned this process in orthocenter or circumcenter, which are were already uploaded videos. Okay, just make a look over there, then you will be getting this. Okay, so here you have x, y and 1. And guys, here we know this, right? B, C, A, B, right? We know this. So by using this B means what? First, the very first step is consider first and second equation. Okay, to find out the point of concurrency, consider first and second equation, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, first and second equation. So from the first equation, just say what are the B values, C values, A values and D values. Okay, what is B value in the first equation? 1. Are you getting it? Here you have y, so there is no constant value in front of y, so here I am just considering y over here. Okay, B value I got. Then what will be the C value? Minus 3. Very good. Let's go like this. So here I would write right here. Okay, minus 3. B minus 3, C value is minus 3 and A value is 2. A value is 2 and B value is again 1, right? So let me write down 1 over here. Is this both clear? Okay. So now let's go for the second one. Here you have B. B value is what? 2 again, right? B, C. C value is minus 2. A value is what? 3. B value is what? 2. Okay. So guys, here we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. Now here we know this process x by, again x upon, now cross multiply this, 1 into minus 2, and here there is a rule that you must place minus over here. So here you have 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus into minus plus, so this becomes plus 6. Okay, and next this is equals to y, as we know, just write it down, y by, we know this, right? We know this process, we have learned this in orthocenter or circumcenter process also. So 3 into minus 3, minus 9, plus, minus into minus plus, so plus 4. Okay, this is equals 1 by 2 is 4, minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 how much? It's 1 by 1, right? 4 minus 3, 1. So this becomes 1 by 1, so I am just going to write this as 1 by 1 as it is, okay? 1 by 1. Now here guys, find out the x values and y values, okay? X upon minus 2, okay? Minus 2 minus 6, sorry, minus 2 minus, so minus 2 plus 6, how much? Plus 4, right? Minus 2 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to, just equate this with this, okay, and this with this, where x by minus 2 plus 6 is equals 1 by 1, like this, okay, just try to do like this. So here x into 1, cross multiplication. So that this becomes what? This becomes what? X is equals 4 plus 4. Clear? I got x value where x is equals 4. Clear? Let me write down here x is equals 4. So let me again take the next value here, y. Y by minus 9 plus 4. 9 minus 4, how much? Minus 5, right? Minus 5, which is equals 1 by cross multiplication. This gives y is equals minus 5. Hope you got it. We got x values and y values. What I have done, guys? I have written 3 equations. From equation 1 and equation 2, I have used this process where we know x, y, and we consider x, y1, and you take BCAB. So write down the B values for the first equation and BCAB values for the second equation. So here I have written these values, first equation values and second equation values over there. Okay. So by this, just try to simplify this, where x cross multiplication over here, cross multiplication over here, cross multiplication over here. So here x by minus 1, sorry, plus 1 into minus 2, minus into plus, minus, so minus 2, here we will get a minus, right, minus as it is, so minus into minus plus, as we know, whole process. So x by this, y by minus 9 plus 4, which is equals 1 by 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1 by 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1, so thus I got 1 by 1 over there. Clear? Are you getting it? So x by this, I mean x by 4, 1 by 1, I have cross multiplied this. So that's what I have got, where x value is equals 4. Okay, here you can see x value I got what? 4. Y value I got what? Minus 5. Now here the point of concurrency would be, guys. So the point of concurrency would be 4 and 5. How can I say? If we substitute these both values, if we substitute the x values and y values in the third equation, okay, if you substitute the x values and y values in the third equation, if you simplify all this, the total equation should be equated to 0. Okay, if I substitute the x values and y values that I have got just now in the third equation, if I simplify everything, well, this third equation should be equated with 0. Both should be some kind of equal. Okay, both the values must be equal. Here 2. I would like to do the process. So 2 into x value is what? X value is what, guys? 4. Okay, minus 3 into. So here this is the third equation. I am just considering this equation. Okay, minus 3 into y value is what? Minus 5. Minus 23 is equal 0. 4 2 is 8 plus 15 minus 23 is equal 0. 23 minus 23 is equals 0. 0 is equal 0. So at last what I have got? I have equated this both. When 0 is equal to 0, but plus 23 minus 23 gets cancelled, right? So 0 is equal 0. So therefore the third equation is getting 0 when I substitute these x values and y values in the third equation. The answer that I have got what? 0. So therefore here I can say that these both are the points of concurrency and the given equations are in concurrent. Okay, the given lines are concurrent lines. Are you getting it? I have done nothing, guys. I would like to explain the whole step again. So here they have given what? Show that these lines are concurrent. Show that these lines are concurrent and find the points of concurrency. Okay, they asked what? To find out the points of concurrency. So what you do? You just write down the first equation, second equation and the third equation over here. So just consider 1 and 2 equations. You do this whole process and then you will be getting x is equals 4. I mean you will be getting the values of x value and y value. You take those x value and y value, substitute those values in this third equation. Okay, you just eliminate these both equations after this process. Now consider this third equation, substitute this third line or third equation, this both x and y values. Where x is equals 4, so substitute this, y is equals minus 5, substitute the value over here minus 5. 2 4 is 8, minus minus plus, 2, 3, 5 is 15. So plus 15. Minus 23 as it is. So minus 23 is equals 0. 8 plus 15 is equals 23. So 23 minus 23 is equals to 0. Okay. So therefore I got what? 0 by substituting the values x and y in this given third equation.